This is the timer app, where the number is updated from 0 to 1 after 1 second. The code for Timeout app is present in the file called timeout.js. We show the value of the state variable index, which has the test ID called number to easily query it in the tests. On load of the component, the index value is incremented. On exit of the component, the timer ID is cleared. We are going to use a Jest library function called advanced timers by time. This will allow us to not wait for the 1 second in the unit test and speed up the test. So we start testing by using the jest.useFakeTimers function. Initially, the value is 0, so we test for it. Then we increase the timer by 1 second and check the value to be 1. We again increase the timer by 1 second and check that the value remains the same as 1. To test the timer is cleared when the component is unmounted, first spy on the window.clearTimeout function to know when the function is called. Then we unmount the component using the wrapper.unmount function. Then we check that the window.clearTimeout function is called. In the interval app, the number is every 1 second. The file intervalapp.js contains the code for this app. Here the index number is incremented every second, and we use clearInterval function to clear it on the unmount of this component. The test cases are the same, but here we test the index number being incremented by 1 every 1 second. Also, we spy on window.clearInterval to test the clearing of interval on the unmount of the component. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel to keep updated on the latest videos and provide me feedback using the comments. You can find more information about this channel in the description below and in my website as well.